welcome to my kitchen. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Today I am making French toast. So the first thing that you would need is a bowl and a whisk. Okay, so because we are making 4 slices of bread, you would need 2 eggs. Whisk this. And you would need a 1/4 cup of milk, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, right now I'll be turning this on to medium. Let your pan heat up. And I do like to use Pam, it's not sponsored, just because with this it doesn't let the food stick to the pan. It's a lot better than oil and butter. Okay, once our pan is all heated up, let's put this on. And you want to take your slice of bread. So all you're doing is just coating the bread. That is it. Like this, and then on here, coat it, there we go. And for the mix, of course, you can either choose if you want to make more. You can always double it, or if you are making for just one person, you can always just use 1 egg instead. So coat that really nicely here. Perfect. Let's wait this out. So we are looking for that golden brown, so like so. Oh, it's stuck together. Like this. So that's what you want. There we go. It's beautiful. So this is my take on French toast. You can finish it off with some syrup, like so, a cup of coffee, or a glass of milk. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and bon appétit!